Your slides don't need to be boring. Go from blank to brilliant using just images and shapes in PowerPoint. Hey everyone, if you are a beginner, this tutorial will show you how to turn a blank slide into the clean visual design with images and shapes. Here what we are aiming for. The best part, it only takes 5 simple steps to build something like this. First, inserting images, then resizing and moving them. After that, adding shapes and aligning everything. And finally, combining text and visuals. Let's go step by step. Alright, before we start, I don't need these text boxes, so I delete them. Now we focus on the most important visual elements, adding images. Go to the Insert tab, Pictures, and choose a file from your device or online. Please try using high-quality photos. They make a huge difference. If you don't have great images on your computer, no worries. You can find awesome free photos on unsplash.com or lumi.ai. Both are great for presentation visuals. Check the website links in the description. Second part is about resizing and moving images. After adding image, click and drag the handles in the corners while holding the shift. Don't stretch from the sides because it looks distorted. Then just drag the image to move it where you want. Depending on what you want to highlight, place the image where it makes the most sense. In this case, I'm placing it on the left side. Now we'll go through adding shapes. Shapes help structure your content. Go to the Insert tab, Shapes, and pick one. I'm using this one. You can use shapes to highlight text, create titles, or organize information. Also, you can simply copy and paste it. After that, you can click on it and head to the Format tab. Then you can change the fill color, outline, and other advanced design options, which I'll cover it in a separate video, so stay tuned. To move them as one unit, just select 2 or more, right-click, and choose Group. Based on the content I'm planning to show, I need 3 shapes here. Each one will hold a different point. So now I'm copy and paste it 2 more times. And then move them here. The next step is about aligning objects. Design is all about balance. Once you've added images and shapes, it's important to align them properly. Select 2 or more items, go to the Shape format, and use the Align tool. Then, you can align left, center, or distribute it vertically. This keeps everything neat and balanced. The last part is about combining images and text. Since we've already covered adding text in the last video, I'll just add some text boxes and start typing. Then I'll style and align them like shapes. As you can see, creating a clean and effective layout doesn't have to be complicated. And there you have it, a clean, structured slide. Thank you so much. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more PowerPoint tips. And like, share, and comment below if you have any ideas. Check the next part where we'll dive into using themes and color combinations. to style your slides like a pro. See you there. Bye.